Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make Windows PowerShell transparent in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search option. Here we can search it easily and kinds of things. So we will write PowerShell. See the PowerShell, that means the Windows PowerShell. So click here, right button, and before that we have to remember it that we have whatever we want to change, that run as administrator. So click here. Yes, see the thing has come. See, we want what we want, the transparent change. So we can see it here. It's a deep thing, a deep color, deep things we want transparent. So click here the title bar. So here the properties, terminal, colors, see color. Here the opacity. So here the 100%. If we want to do, see the thing has been increase or decrease the transparent. See this thing. So in this way we can change the transparent in Windows PowerShell. Press the OK. See, that has been revealed here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.